Hi everyone, Jack from 英作文会話 community here again. And today I'm here to say thank you. We recently reached over 200 subscribers on YouTube, and I want to thank you all so much for the support. And I also want to say a big thank you to everyone who watched the YouTube videos and signed up for a lesson with us. It has been so fun meeting and talking with you all, and I hope I can meet with a lot more of you in the future. Today, I also want to talk about 3 more things. The first is the future of our YouTube channel and our other social media. The second is about our Meetup event this Saturday, October 30th at 8 p.m. And the third is a request. We are looking for people who can help us make sample lesson videos by being in some of our YouTube videos. Okay, so first, I also want to give you a bit of an update on our channel. Since we've been getting a lot more subscribers recently, I really want to try my best to make a lot more high quality content for you. So I'm going to start doing a lot more of our eiga bunseki videos. So where we look at a movie and lines from a movie. I'm making these videos for all of you, so I really want to know what content you want to see. So if you have any ideas for movies or any kind of content, any questions, please leave me a comment below. It really helps me out. And I also wanted to let you know that I'll be taking a little bit of a break from our Eikaiwa quiz style videos. We've made a ton of those, so there's already a lot on the channel for those of you who are interested. And I want to let you know that I'm going to be doing similar style content on my Instagram. I will leave a link to that in the description below. So if you're interested in quiz style content, please check that out. And I also wanted to let you know that I'm doing Twitter. Every day I post new vocabulary words with example sentences, so check it out. I post every day and I've posted hundreds of words by now. And I also do TikTok. So for those of you who enjoy shorter style videos, check out my TikTok. I've been getting a lot of good feedback there, so it seems like people are enjoying the content, so check it out. Second, I wanted to let you know that we at Eisakabun Kaiwa Community are doing meetups on the last Saturday of every month. We are also having one tomorrow, Saturday, October 30th at 8 p.m. So if you're interested, please be sure to sign up. So if you don't know what Meetup is, it is an app where you can sign up for different meetings that people post. So for our meeting, it is a Zoom meeting. So anyone can sign up. It is totally free, and we play English games for an hour and just talk. So if you're interested in practicing your English for free, definitely sign up. We always have a lot of new people, so there's no pressure, and it's a lot of fun. Beginners and advanced speakers, everyone is welcome, so give it a try. And the last thing I wanted to let you all know about is that we are going to be making more sample lesson videos for our YouTube channel. So we're actually looking for people who want to take a free lesson and will let us record that lesson and post parts of it on YouTube. So if you're feeling a little brave and you want to take a free lesson, please send me a private message on YouTube, or you can email me at eisakabunkaiwa@gmail.com. We can cover your face and we don't have to show your name if you don't want to show that, but we will use your voice at the very least. So anyone interested, please let us know. But that is all for this video. Thank you all so much for the support. We really appreciate it, and we're going to try really hard to make a lot more good content going forward. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.